What are the most common small kitchen design mistakes? How do you fix a bad kitchen layout? What is the kitchen work triangle and why does it matter? Well, let's find out. Designing a kitchen isn't just about making it look good, it also needs to work for you. But in a small space, layout mistakes can make cooking really frustrating. I would know because my house was built in the 70s and my kitchen is tiny. I can't wait to remodel. In today's video, I'll show you 5 of the biggest design mistakes people make in a 10 by 10 foot or 3 by 3 meter kitchen, and of course, how to fix them. Before we dive in, is it possible for us to get 200 likes on this video? You know what? Actually, no, I'm not even gonna ask. I double dog dare you to like this video. In all seriousness, it really does help us reach more people, so if you found this video helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to check out the 7-day pro trial to unlock all of our amazing design tools. All right, enough of that, let's get started. All right, mistake number 1 is poor appliance placement. Placing your appliances too far apart makes cooking pretty inefficient, and it forces you to take unnecessary steps. You know, in this example, the fridge is all the way in this corner, and then the sink is all the way in this corner with the stove right next to the fridge, and that just doesn't work. So to fix this, keep essential appliances like the stove, sink, and refrigerator within a comfortable distance to ensure a smooth workflow. Mistake number 2 is not enough counter space. Not leaving enough counter space next to the oven or sink makes cleanup and especially food prep really difficult. So to fix this, maintain at least 15 inches of counter space on both sides of the stove and sink for safe food preparation and easy placement of hot pans. Mistake number 3 is ignoring the kitchen work triangle. Placing key elements too far apart or adding obstacles can really break the natural workflow of a kitchen. So to fix this, follow the kitchen work triangle rule, which is to keep the stove, sink, and refrigerator between 4 to 9 feet apart, and this just gives you the most efficient movement between those items. Mistake number 4 is overloading those upper cabinets. If you have a smaller kitchen like this, filling every single wall with upper cabinets can really make the kitchen feel even more small and cramped. So to fix this, use a mix of upper cabinets and open shelving to add more storage while making the space feel just a bit more open and airy. And finally, mistake number 5 is bad kitchen island placement. Placing your kitchen island too close to your appliances can really restrict your movement and workflow, and you're just gonna end up with this really cramped feeling. I mean, look at this, you have no room to get in there to do anything you need. So to fix this, maintain at least 42 inches of clearance between the island and other surfaces. And if space is limited, consider adding a peninsula instead of an island for better flow. And there you have it, 5 common kitchen layout mistakes and how to fix them. Before you go, let's do a quick recap. Make sure to keep appliances close enough for the most efficient cooking. Ensure you always have enough counter space next to your key appliances. Always follow the kitchen work triangle for a smooth workflow. Balance storage and openness with a mix of cabinets and shelves. And make sure the kitchen island doesn't block your movement. Now it's your turn. Send us your kitchen floor plans on Instagram with a note from YouTube, and maybe we'll feature it in a future video. Which room would you like to see next? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the 7-day free trial so that you can start designing today. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.